Hello everyone. Running late as usual. And make sure I put the babies to bed before I come on here because I don't want any interruptions. So I did this look yesterday. It's a little different today than it was yesterday. So I hope I can do it live for you guys. It's just something colorful, you know. I was just playing around with colors, trying to get better with more colors because I'm so used to the neutral colors. I want to practice with more of a wide variety of colors. I'm using right now my LA Girl Pro Primer in white, just because it's bright colors I'm working with. I wanted to appear a bit brighter on my eyelids because I'm, you know, a woman of color. I have to use something lighter than my skin complexion so it shows on me. And once I have that in, I'm just gonna take my fingers and blend that out. And with my a purple color right in the crease area. Yep, I'm gonna go in with my yellow. And I'm only putting it right in the front area because it's not a main color for the look. My main colors are these lime green and that olive and a little bit of black. The yellow was just to give it like a pop of color right in my eye, in an eye corner. I can't talk today. Now we have all our products laid out. I am gonna go ahead and start blending with my fluffy brush. Make sure there's no product on there. If you just wipe off the excess and go back in with the same blending brush. And just keep blending until it looks good to you. I'm just looking at the other eye and making sure it is just like it. Purple range, and I'm just gonna back in the crease and blend some purple in there, taking it to the outer corner, and make sure you're blending the top of it to remove that harsh line if you do have a harsh line. Next, we're gonna do our face here so we can complete the look. I'm not doing any cat eye because of the fact that I'm yes, honey. I'm not doing any cat eye because I'm bringing that purple down underneath. I took too much. dust off some excess. Go in with my Purr Bronze and Brighten palette. I'm gonna use Afterglow here to do a nice little glow on my face. I'm gonna use a brush to do that. Nice fluffy brush. I don't know where my headpiece went, but we're pretty much done. Let me know how you guys enjoy this. Please like and share. But I sure appreciate you stopping by and joining me and looking at this video. If you're catching this replay, wait till this video finishes and just catch it from the beginning so you can see how I created my eyes. Thank you so much. I'm talking too much. Thank you so much for joining me here, and I appreciate the love. I love you guys, and until next time, I'll talk to you later. Bye.